Hello, and today we're going to start a new series of tutorial, I guess. Yeah, so we're going to do the 3D stuff. So there's a lot of ways to do it, but we're going to make it the most efficient way, which is using make a block. So we're going to make one called show costume, and one more called turn. So first we have to go here, and we're just gonna make a box. So you can do anything, but I'm just gonna make a quick box. So, and then we want to make like at least 2 layers for it. Put this, and on the sides, red color. Yep. So now, since we're done with that, we're gonna switch the backdrop color just to tell the difference between the square and the background. So, we want to go to 0, 0, and then point in direction 90, and then show, and then we want to show costume, and then so now we're going to define show costume, and this is probably going to be a quick tutorial, maybe 5 minutes. So we use a lot of pen. This uses a lot of pen, so we clear, and then costume 1. Then you have to now we have to define turn because we use it in here. So stamp, and then you change Y by 1, and then you could use a repeat here, but it's really slow if you use repeat, so I'm just gonna duplicate it. So there's a difference of the speed. So do like as much as you like, how tall you want it. So, and then here, turn, and then duplicate this, and then costume 2. Okay, and then turn. So here we have our box. Oh no, this is not it. So that's what our box looks like before we can turn it. So do this, and then now we're going to let the box make the box turn. So key, use any key, just we need a right and left. So soon I might change it into a game, but for now I'm just gonna make it a box, yeah, and like switching. So and D, you can do anything you like, but I'm just going to do this, and then turn. Make sure this is right. You can do in D, turn this way or the opposite way. It doesn't really matter, but okay. So here, do show costume. Yeah, so now we have our box, which turns and it's kind of 3D-ish. Yeah, so this is kind of it. So what you can do is make the square thicker. No, be taller, I think. Oh no, that's too big. No, that's too big. There's probably a better way of doing this, but okay. So now if we run it, yeah, it looks taller, I think. Yeah, so to make it taller, you can like do this and it'll look a lot taller. Yeah. So yeah, it'll be a lot more laggy too. Yep, so there we have it. That's our square. And we can make a lot of different things. Yeah, so maybe a triangle. Not really equal. And fill it in a color, and then duplicate that, and add this. Oh, no. Okay, and yeah, so you can make anything. Maybe make a maze. That's hard though. Yeah, so you can make it as many costumes as you like. You just need to change the code here. Oh yeah, do this. Yeah, so if we do this, we have a triangle pizza. Yay. And if you want, you can like change this. And you might be thinking I could repeat it, but when I repeat it like breaks down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like turns small bit by bit, but then it has to regenerate every time. So, yeah, this is better. Yeah, so that's it for our basic 3D today. And next time we might make a 3D game. Yeah, so thank you for watching. This was a short tutorial, 8 minutes and 30 seconds long. And I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye.